is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix, brought to you by today the two of the roll coders, and one roll coder is back. Welcome back, Kay, once again.
Thank you.
Good to have you back as
Yeah,
well.
always good to be back.
Fantastic, fantastic. All right. Um, I just have to say that whenever I look at your background, is that kind of the lightning stuff and everything, is that professionally done? That I almost think there's some kind of a picture that you put on the background.
No, no, no. It's just I was fortunate enough to like I don't know when I used to stream before this, right? The
Mhm.
light doesn't used to flicker, and now it
Yeah,
flickers and it flickers like the right amount, so it looks good.
yeah.
So,
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more.
but I think I could stop the flickering if I reduce the frame rate on my camera.
Okay. No, I reckon probably leave it in that
Yeah,
way because it does add a bit of a professional touch.
yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Uh, Welcome, Gegdev.
Mhm.
Good to have you.
You get
Right. So, first thing is first, let's do the acknowledgement of the country and pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, and future.
yep, sure.
So, here we go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Alright, that was smoothly done once again.
Hmm.
So, so, just a bit of a context. Do you know from the last stream what we're doing, okay?
Yesterday's stream or day before yesterday?
The day before yesterday.
I think we were just trying to start it up and didn't really
Yeah,
start.
yeah.
But I wasn't able to watch yesterday's stream. I think you were. I read the title. It was about the XSS tag thing, right?
Yes. So, um, because the code wasn't pushed the day before when we were working on it. So yes, today what I basically did was I kind of rewrote the rewrote the rewrote the code based on the logic that I
Yep.
understand it,
Hmm.
and I already deployed it, but I didn't really know how to test. So that is what we're going to be basically trying to um try to do the access attack ourselves and see how does that go.
Right. Okay. Fair.
Brilliant.
Is
And Greg was
XSS
asking,
the cross-site scripting attack? Is it the
yes,
same? Right.
yes, yeah.
Okay.
So basically, what happens is that if a user sends the JavaScript script tags, which has some JavaScript in there, then it would do whatever the user wants the code to do. For example, play farting noise.
Right. Okay. Got
So
it.
yeah.
Probably not that, but yeah.
Yeah. True, true.
Nice. Fair.
And
Fair.
Yagdev was asking, are you back, Narcotic?
Yes, I'm trying to do like a trial sort of a thing, and see if it fits with work and if I'm not too tired. But yeah, that's the intention. So we'll probably decide on a schedule next week.
Sounds good.
But yeah, hopefully it looks like the project is at the end stages, so that's encouraging.
Yeah, so I'm basically thinking that this month we should be able to, as in kind of just go live, as in protesting.
Hmm.
Mhm.
What's
So,
next then, Zen?
hmm?
What's next? Which project is next?
Which project is next? I've got a project in my mind. Um,
Yep.
I'll um I'll tell you guys about that when the time comes and if I actually want to do that project.
Fair enough.
And also depends if the um, the guys as in Kartik and Tori wanna join me as well because I
Yeah.
think the projects are best done in good teams.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Fair.
Mm,
Yeah. No, I
but
would love
yeah,
to discuss that.
fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So let's get into action. So I'll share my screen
Mm-hmm.
and I'll just close all my notifications because I don't want anything to distract me. Cool, that is done. And there we go. Okay, I can't share my screen. Wow.
Oh, you can't share.
No, I cannot share. I probably have to go into, as in, do some things in the system preferences,
All right.
and then come back. Okay,
Okay. That's
so I'll
fine.
leave for now.
I'll
So
chat to get dev.
perfect.
Hey, dev, how's it going? Hopefully you're still there. Well, it looks like we do have someone on Twitch, and I think you stream us at Twitch. So, or maybe you're just trying to play with us. Wake up, get dev. Yes. Did you attend Dev Corp today morning? I want to check out the project on um, GitHub. Let's see. Stream. Nope. Yes, that's the one. It's on Road Coders GitHub. It's kind of cool. Hmm. Last commit. Oh, probably not that one. Um. Let's see. Scrambler. I think it's on. Oh, there you go. Yeah, Scrambler enhancement. 19th Feb. Yeah, probably not that one as well. Looks like Zen is back.
Hi guys. Let's try. I also twisted my knee earlier on, so it's really
Oh,
painful at the moment.
wait, what happened? You okay?
Yeah, I kind of fell in a really bad way, but that knee injury that I've got is kind of long term, but that actually just came back when the knee twisted.
Oh, all right.
So, but anyway, I think I should be good as long as I'm sitting down.
Yeah, give it a good rest.
Yeah. All right, cool. So I'll try and share my screen now. Hopefully it works. Here we go.
Does
Perfect.
work.
All right, cool. So I will open up the terminal and then I'll open up the project. Oops, too fast. Oh, we forgot.
Yeah.
Let's choose music.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah. Do you want to have a pink pick? today
Yeah,
since you're back off ages?
daydreaming sounds cool as a
Let's go for that one.
music. Ooh, more of a
Yeah.
study music vibe.
Yeah.
That's good.
True that. True. All right. Cool. I'm gonna share my screen again.
Hmm.
That's actually a good choice.
Yeah, it just sounded cool. Daydreaming.
Yeah.
I do that
Absolutely.
every day. So
It's good to do that sometimes as well.
yeah, true, true, true.
Right, where are my things? Here. Send text back in. Yeah, that's the one. All right, cool. So what we did was we basically, so this is the change basically I made. Yes, yesterday, but didn't get around to testing it because I had an important call at 10.
Yeah.
So if I go into the changes, yeah, basically what I did was it required sanitizer,
Hmm.
and then where did I make the other change? Oh, sorry, no, it's in default. So basically all I did was I installed um DOM Purify,
Right. Yeah. Right.
and then I basically used it when we are sending through the WebSocket. So
Hmm.
we are basically assuming that every message is a dirty message, which
Right.
requires sanitization.
Hmm.
And then I'm just basically sanitizing the text in the dirty message object,
Right.
and then setting that to message, and all the variables then remain the same.
Interesting. Okay. Right.
uh have you got any questions?
No, I'm trying to. I haven't really done like this stuff, so I'm just trying to understand. But yeah, it makes
Okay.
sense. Makes sense.
Mhm.
For sure.
So what was happening before, tell you a bit of context.
Mhm.
So when we were testing it on screen, we were getting the scripting attacks, which was basically people were inserting script tags in the notes
Yeah.
as text,
Yeah.
and which were basically being picked up by the browser as inner HTML,
Hmm.
which made the program as in do what they wanted to do. So as long as they were as long as they were connected to the WebSocket, everything was coming through the WebSocket.
Right. Okay. So
So
like they could run their own like they could put it inside the inner HTML.
yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
And I guess from my understanding, what we're doing now and what this DOM Purify essentially does, if I'm not wrong, because it's just a brand new concept for me as well,
Hmm.
that as soon as we pass a text to this sanitizer using DOM Purify, it will turn that that text into actual normal text, so it won't be in a HTML anymore,
Right. Okay. Makes sense. Hmm.
which means that it won't do anything even if they enter the script tag.
Okay. Fair. Fair.
Yeah, but I don't know how much of it would work, to be honest, because
That
I don't.
there's only one way to find out.
Exactly. All right. The site should already be up. Yep, that's up, and I'll actually give you um the board. So this would be the URL.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. So we will need to work on this one. This isn't coming up as object. I would have to check.
Are all the functions working though? Like,
Most likely
mm-hmm.
until we have. Oh, probably. I think what I must have done was when I deployed the SAM template,
Yep.
API endpoint changes, but I forgot to update the API endpoint in S3.
Oh, right. Okay.
Uh,
We can do that right now.
yes, we can do that, but I'm just thinking of myself. Wow, how could I not have realized that yesterday?
Honest mistake though. I would have done that too, probably.
All right, cool. So let's so the only thing is that we would have to keep the keep S3 up to date as well with this.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, let's jump into that and see how do we go. This is that one. Yeah, that's this endpoint. So what we need to do is basically uh duh, 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 Scrambler. There you go. Actually, I'm gonna open it. Oh no, don't tell me that.
I think I have that password saved. Let me have a look.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, you got
I
it?
got it.
Nice.
Yeah,
Very cool.
I got in. How was it again? Autofill. Yeah, there you go. Oh, MFA extra securities.
Google.
That one. No, I'm putting in the work code. Wow, interesting.
Oh, interesting. Unauthorized. Oh, no,
I
there you
don't
go.
know why does that come, but it always does this on this account of mine.
Right.
Okay, never mind. We wanted to get the API endpoint, isn't it?
Yep. On S3.
Do. Okay, stages, prod. There we go. Oh, hang on. QDeck. Is the right one? Yeah, it must be the right one.
Okay.
QDeck.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, what was the WebSocket one? Okay, how about if I give you this, and
Yeah.
then you can try to do the XSS attack
Mm-hmm.
through the WebSocket. All right,
I'm
so
not sure how to do it, or I don't know how you guys test it, but yeah, I'd be keen to know.
actually, even I don't know how to do it because yesterday I was figuring that out. But
Mm-hmm.
um, actually, first of all, let's find
Yeah.
out.
Google it.
Google has all the answers. Okay. Introduction to XSS tech. I don't need any introduction. Come on. Injections. Okay.
I'm on the same website.
Doesn't it give any example of
Yeah, it does. If you go down a little, um,
recommended tools,
down.
method
Yes.
post, for example, testing test, testing test.
Wait, so who did the initial XSS? Like, was it Tori or someone else?
So who did it the first time, is it?
Yeah, like,
So I don't want to name anyone
mhm.
here,
Okay,
but we
wasn't from
managed.
the team.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, got it, got it.
So but we didn't manage to find out how it was done, but then I can't remember now how.
Oh, right, interesting. Maybe you can try asking Tori as well. Maybe he might remember.
Oh, hang on. Here we go. As we understand, test element is the name indicated by the user. Therefore, this don't mean it look like the demonstrated code is vulnerable to such an attack if the questionnaire. Okay, how about if we just simply do this and see if it picks up
Yep,
on
sure.
the note? So if you wanna do this, as in just do an alert on the note itself.
Right, okay. Do you mind sending me
Oh,
the link?
sorry, my bad. I totally forgot about it.
Mhm.
It's funny how I use private chat because it's all on the screen anyway.
Oh, yeah, true.
Ah, here we go. Cool. So it didn't work. It
It's
didn't.
cool,
That
no?
the code
Whoever
didn't work.
put in the effort.
True though.
Let
True.
me mute the site first, actually.
Actually, can I mute this tab?
Yeah, you can mute tabs.
How can I do it?
It's right. If you right click,
Right click.
mute site.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah, 1 second. It'll be a bit painful. Okay, I didn't
Okay,
get.
so, huh?
I didn't get the noise. No.
Right.
Shall
I'll just unmute it and see what happens. Oh, I see. So it's not even being done on the note itself.
Mm-hmm.
That's really interesting. Tori actually managed to find out how it was done. I should have paid attention when he was explaining me. Sources, performance, memory. Was it network or recording? Like to perform a request to hit or hit refresh. Ah, right. So are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See
Mark.
how this is coming up?
Right.
55 MB. So this is board test, payload, headers, request Google Analytics, request headers. Ah, here we go.
What is
Path.
it?
Is it GIF?
Hmm?
So it's sending a GIF
But
marker.
GIFs don't have noise in them, do they? Um.
Yeah, that's actually true. Yellow card.
Yeah. One second, I'll get some water.
Yeah. Star CSS request. So that didn't clearly work.
Yes.
Image JavaScript. I'm just trying to find out how it was done. Fetch XSR, passcode HTML.
I don't think so. It's in now. Like it's not happening now.
But wouldn't there be a history on these?
Could be. Trying to see.
No, that's not possible. Can't be this one. So they're basically inserting it through the WebSocket, but not on the UI itself.
Yeah. But if you create a new one, would it still happen? No, like a new board.
New board. Okay, we can try that. So if we go test 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how network? It must be something here. Head snapshot. Media bar style sheet. This is really interesting. I have no idea what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just clicking. So they insert it. So first of all, they're not inserting it in the browser. They are inserting in the browser, but not on the UI itself here.
Right. Okay. Then where are they inserting it?
That's exactly what I'm trying to find out.
Oh, right. Fair.
Scribbles PNG, but that wouldn't have an no PNG.
Wait, Tori knows how to replicate this, right?
Yes, no, not
Okay.
get this.
Let's try googling it only.
Media.
Hi.
Actually, one a WebSocket. XSS tag.
Oh, yes, Kevdev. I'm not sure about. I had a meeting though. Early morning. I was actually planning to attend it. That's why I asked. Did you attend the DevCon thing today?
No, I
Um,
didn't. I had something else on. Yeah, so I didn't really get a chance to do it.
yeah, right, fair. Yeah, I mean, Gegdev says Zen never goes, but like literally, I haven't gone to one in like ages as well. So, um, but yeah, no, I really want to now. Like,
Yeah,
it's been a
me too though. Yeah, because as I'm on the Slack channel as well, and there's some really as in cool topics being discussed, which
Mhm.
Victor posted,
Mhm. Right.
and yeah, it's really kind of intriguing.
Yeah. No, so next time, if you remember, just remind me, or if I remember, I'll remind you
Okay, sounds good.
for DevCop.
Pre-protector website visitor. Okay. Pre-protector discovers a website having a vulnerability and enables script injection. The perpetrator injects the website with a military script that steals each visitor's session cookie. Okay, but how do we do that? Come on, mate. Stores. Okay. The SS text as the following comment. Great price for Graver. I to read my review here. Okay. From this point on, every time the page is accessed, there's HTML tag in the comment. The HTML tag in the comment will activate a JavaScript file which is hosted on another site and has the ability to steal business cookies. So, how is it being done? As in, I know that we need to insert some kind of a script tag, but where? That's the main question now.
Hmm. True. Also, I just saw today's message by GetDev on
Mhm,
DevCop. I think
mhm.
someone had a problem with course. GetDev
Uh-huh.
mentions that we should help them out. I mean, yeah,
Oh,
that'll be
right.
great though.
Yeah,
Revision of.
absolutely. Yeah, that'll be epic. Ha. Let's see if this works. Unexpected token syntax. Yeah, that didn't work because it's not in checking the script tags.
Hmm, interesting.
It would have been good if I paid a little bit more attention when Tori was explaining me.
Unexpected token. Let's Google that error.
That's basically the same thing. So it's going through the WebSocket,
Mhm.
which means that when we create the card,
Sorry.
it will save it on the syntax error.
GetDev says we need to do a showcase of Borbler. Only a couple weeks left. TikTok. Yes, Borbler. We could actually name this Borbler.
That'd be too, as in too funny. Yeah.
Like that would probably go with the whole theme.
How is that?
Sorry.
As in, how would it go through the whole theme?
Like just
I didn't
Gekko
get
has
it.
been calling us bore coders since like day one, so kind of matches the whole time we were streaming. Bore blur.
Bobla. Actually, that being said, we can actually change the URL to Borblam as well. Bobram Dev.
Gekdev's been here for as much as we've been, so he gets to decide the name.
Yeah. All right. He can have that privilege.
You know what's funny? I think we started on 14th of May. I have a feeling. So we
14th of
might,
May.
yeah.
Yes. So
I
it's
think
only
so.
been May, June, July, August, September, December.
1 year.
Yeah, less than 1 year, right?
Yeah.
Approximately.
No,
Mhm.
I'm just trying to see like when is the 1 year uh, mark.
Ah, right. I see. Oh my god. Okay.
You look sound sleepy.
I'm actually been up since 5,
Oh my
and
days.
it's nearly my bedtime as well.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay, never mind. We started in July, 14th of July. Sorry, my bad.
May, June, July. Wow, so we're actually doing pretty good. It's not even been a year yet,
Yeah, 9 months.
which is great.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm not. How can we replicate the thing?
Yep.
I'm just trying to think now. How
Sure.
did this be done? No throttling. That one. That one. That one. No. Um. No throttling. Fast 3G. Disable cache. Um. How? There has to be a way.
True. Um,
HTML body.
Gekdev
Mm,
says just call it a day. I think that's a fair advice. Um, the
To
efficient
be
way
honest.
would be to ask Tori because they already know.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, and I
Yeah.
think Tech Dev is right. It has been a long day for me, and I'm sure it's been for you as well.
Mhm.
And basically, on here, we're pretty much um just socializing at the moment.
Yeah, no, fair enough. Fair enough. Now we can come back tomorrow. Hopefully Tori's interviews are going well though. He seems pretty excited, so that's always a
Yeah,
good.
yeah, that'd be good though. As in,
Mm.
once he come, I can probably have a session with him if he's really swamped with the interviews. I might just have a call with him before the trip tomorrow,
Yeah, 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 for sure. Yeah,
and
definitely.
ask him if he can show to me how he did it.
Yeah, yeah. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Um, but yeah, no, that's cool. I'll try to join in tomorrow as well. I'll definitely let you know.
Y-
Hopefully I can.
yeah, that'd be great. And yeah, guys, been a good social session and a bit of progress. We managed to deploy the change, and yeah, just have to figure out how to replicate the cross-site scripting attack, and then to eventually solve it. And if you want to check out how do we do that tomorrow, uh, join us as same place, same time, and
Same task.
there we go.
All
Guys,
right.
have a good night.
Thank you.